Welcome, everybody. My name is Dan C. Bearded, and I'm a beard content creator, and I appreciate the opportunity to work with Deadman's Beard Co. to make some educational content for their platforms. If you guys rock with that and you love discussing and learning about beards and beard products, hit a thumbs up on the video, interact with their YouTube channel by commenting, by subscribing. If you want to share it, that's absolutely amazing. And I want to talk today about cologne. Dan, you just said you're a beard content creator. Deadman's Beard Co. Yeah, absolutely. But they do offer colognes and are increasingly becoming more popular, especially as they make scent profiles that are just banger after banger when it comes to these cologne scents. But the question would give to say, how do I use a cologne in conjunction with my beard products? And I'm happy to answer. Number one, first and foremost, by far the most important thing I can say in this video, do not spray cologne on your beard. Dan, it's a beard product company. Why would they offer cologne if it... Do not spray cologne on your beard. Almost all colognes are alcohol-based, not a good alcohol for your beard. Don't do it. The way you use a cologne in conjunction with your beard products is you apply that cologne to other areas that are not your beard. Right in front of me, I have the Blackwater cologne, which is a scent of the month scent. Hopefully it comes back in the future. I really love this one, but today I went with the Death by Citrus oil. Now this is an all-natural essential oil, so it does fade and dissipate. So what I like to do is go with this in the morning, wake myself up, and then as I'm gonna go have dinner or a date with my wife later, I will spray the cologne on my pulse points, and depending on how frisky I'm trying to get, I might spray it on my clothes like one spray as well. I know that can be controversial. Some people say that's the way. Some people say, no, don't do that. My main point is get the cologne on your body in the way that you would like, just not on your beard. I spray it on my wrist. I spray it on the back of my neck. And then again, sometimes I'll spray it on one spray on my clothes, and I'm good to go. I know this will be searched for. I know people will ask about it. Hopefully Deadmans will be able to send this out. And I know this because if you check like Google Trends and you look up YouTube on things like beard cologne, people are asking this and they're spraying this stuff on their beard. And I just want to make sure you guys have the best chance to get the most out of the products as they're designed and to have the best healthy beard so it can look good, feel good, and smell good. Down below, guys, questions about cologne and beard products, experiences with using cologne. Some of you are fragrance heads far beyond what I am. Give your tips. What do you have for, other than avoiding the beard, your advice on using colognes? Guys, I thoroughly recommend this company. Go check it out at deadmansbeardco.com today.